Hello, Professor Sargent here with you again to talk about solving radical equations. There are 4 steps that we're going to need to take. It is very important that you isolate the radical first, then raise to the power. Don't try to raise to the power right away in a lot of cases. And it's going to transform the equation into a new type of equation, maybe one that is linear or quadratic. And finally, also incredibly important, checking, because some of these answers that we get when we plug them back into the original equation will not satisfy the equation. So on this first one, the square root is already isolated. Whatever happens to x, it's getting multiplied by 24 first, then we subtract 8, and the very last thing that happens to get that 2 is taking the square root. Because that's the last thing that happens, we can square both sides to get rid of that. That will cancel the square root on the left-hand side. Leaving us just the 24x minus 8. 2 squared is 4. The new type of equation we have here is a linear equation. If we add 8 to both sides, we've got 24x equals 12. And we have left dividing by 24. That can be reduced to 1/2. And if we plug that back into the original equation, we want to see if multiplying 24 by 1/2, then subtracting 8, and last taking the square root, does that give us 2? And we will see in just a moment that this does check out, because that square root of 4 is looking for the principal or positive square root of 4. And so this does check out. We keep that solution, x equals 1/2.